We're out here with the TENG Mini, the legend. And what we're doing today is no video and no Wi-Fi. We're just going to do a battery test. Just fly it around and see how long the battery lasts. So that'll be a good test for the battery life if there's no video recording or anything like that. Because I think this supposedly has like some kind of 2.7K and it's all through Wi-Fi, so I'm sure it's sucking up some kind of, it's taking battery doing that, you know. So let's just try it without any of that. I already did the level calibration on it. Okay. Well, I think I might have been in a little bit too much grass there. How about we move that over to there and try that again? That's a do-over. Okay, there's the third rate. I don't remember if this thing does flips or not, to be honest. Let me bring it back, see if I can figure it out. And it does. I think I flew this up at the pool when it was empty. That's how long ago it was that I flew it. I can tell you one thing, it's not that fast, even in the third rate. It's pretty timid. You know, it's not real exciting, let's put it that way. But I guess it don't have to be exciting to do a battery test, huh? Now, you know, we're flying it around here. We're not just doing some hover thing. We're actually gonna move. There goes the guy that he was getting the mulch man. Yes, you see how slow the turning is on this thing, and that's the high rate. Huh. Let me see what's that thing do. There's the first rate. Let me see the pitch. It doesn't seem like it's any different between the... I guess it's a hair faster in the third rate. A hair. I mean a little hair. I had to back up a little step there. That was getting a little close to my head, okay? Flying great. I mean, it's flying good. It's just not that exciting. Just not that fast. And it turns real slow too, so you gotta watch that, especially when you're trying to do these maneuvers, you know, spinning around in circles and stuff. You gotta realize it's not gonna spin that quick for you. I don't know what this, I don't want it drifting away on me. Okay, so. Because it is, it needs to be trimmed, but I'm not exactly sure how to trim this thing, to be honest. Because it has no trim buttons, but it must be something to do with holding something here. I don't know. I'm just not sure. Uh-oh, it's going nuts. It's not responding. Houston, we have a problem. I was trying to pull it up out of that little spin and it just wouldn't respond to nothing. You knew it. Crash of the TENG. Oh well. That won't affect the battery life any, that's for sure. The battery will still keep going. Keep going and going. You see how I tried to just start the engines or motors and just throw it up in the air. Well, it was fun. It was fun while it lasted. Yeah, you can tell the trim's way off now because of that crash. I threw everything out of whack. Let me land it real quick. And redo the level calibration again one more time. Okay. You see how it's wanting to go forward? So, I don't know. Don't want to come back. But I mean, it's still flying good. I mean, it's a little out of trim right now, but I can still handle it. I'm just not exactly sure. I'll have to go back and check the manual out a little bit more. So I'm just not sure how to trim this thing. And these rates don't do anything. And when I think that thing got out of whack over there, I think that had something to do with the optical flow. It just seems like whenever you're going around fast and then you start to slow down, it just seems like it takes a while for the optical flow to kind of catch up with the transmitter or something. I mean, I don't know. It just seems kind of weird. Just seems kind of off. So now it's not walking around as much as it was. Let's get it over here over this green color. Now that seems okay. Now it's going to walk over the back this way now, which it wasn't doing. So now it's going to stop. So yeah, the optical flow on this thing is a little off. I mean, that's how I would categorize it. It's a little off. See, now it walked over there and then it stopped, and now it's going to go that way. Now it's walking back that way. So that's kind of weird. Plus the light's going, so we're going to kill it now anyway. Because I don't want to ruin the battery in case I send it out. Alright guys, there you go. TENG Mini. I don't know what the flight time was. But I don't know, it seemed like about 8 minutes or something, but who knows. Let me land it up. There it goes. Let me check the head cam so I'll give you a general idea how it was. Head cam is on 12 minutes, so you take off a minute for me walking over there and, you know, farting around. So, yeah. So it's probably like 10 minutes, 11 minutes. All right, guys. Talk to you later.